Together we've discovered some of the most beautiful locations on the globe, and today I want to share my top 3 destinations with you. Let's begin. Number 3, Palm Beach, Florida. Florida is known internationally for its warm weather and beaches. In Palm Beach, just over an hour from Miami, you'll find Worth Avenue. It's a beautiful outdoor shopping and dining district that houses some of the most prominent designers on the planet. It's perfect for you to enjoy the warm weather Florida has to offer, and towards the end, there's the beach. Worth Avenue is very quiet and calm. In fact, you can hear a pin drop from how quiet it is. The architecture will remind you a lot of Spain, and because Palm Beach is centric, you can drive to Orlando, which is a few hours away, or make your way down to Miami or the Florida Keys, which are also a few hours away. Number 2, Dubai. Dubai is a modern city that has the latest in technology and opens up a door to a new culture which you've only seen in movies. The city is very safe and family friendly. There's so much to see, like the Dubai Fountain by the Dubai Mall, where there's a water show. Connected, there's also the largest mall in the world and the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. I have a playlist dedicated just to Dubai and everything that it offers. I'm going to be linking it down below, but be sure to watch that at the end of this video. In Dubai, you will also find the Dubai Marina. I really like that because there's also a mall that's very close to it, and there are also many restaurants and stores that you can enjoy with the entire family. Also in Dubai, there's the iconic Burj Al Arab. This is the world's only 7-star hotel. Very close to Dubai is Abu Dhabi. In Abu Dhabi, it's the world's wealthiest city. If you're in Abu Dhabi, you have to go to the mosque. This is where you will see the most beautiful architecture that you've ever stumbled upon. Number 1, Naples, Italy. Italy itself is beautiful. It has the most beautiful scenery Mother Nature has to offer, and Naples is a very great location to visit as it's close to Pompeii, Capri, and Sorrento. These cities are very close to the water and have so much history. Pompeii, for example, was once destroyed by a volcano and will give you an insight into what a city centuries ago looked like. Capri has the most delicious pizza ever and gives you a beautiful view of the Amalfi Coast. We got to Capri from a ship from Sorrento, where we had a delicious gelato. I'm going to link the playlist for Norwegian Epic, where I show you more of Europe, including Spain, Monaco, Monte Carlo, and France. I hope you subscribe. I upload videos on Mondays and Fridays covering beauty, fashion, travel, and lifestyle, and I also do recipes. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you soon. Bye.